You didn't take me to the park, so I'm going to sulk. Okay, to sulk, a verb. A sulk, a countable noun. Sulky as an adjective, and sulkily an adverb, and I guess sulkiness, the quality of the noun as well. Okay, so if somebody sulks, they are silent, they refuse to smile, they refuse to be pleasant because they're angry about something that's happened. Yeah, so the child went off to sulk because he wasn't allowed to eat all of the ice cream. Yeah, he was pouting. Yeah, okay, so to sulk, to be angry, to be silent, yeah, to be unpleasant, yeah, to be very moody. Yeah, so normally when two people have an argument, they sulk, they turn their backs on each other. Yeah, in a sulky mood, in a sulk. He went off in a sulk because I wouldn't give him permission to do this. So if somebody's sulking, they're silent and bad-tempered for a time. Yeah, he turned his back and sulked for half an hour. Yeah, or maybe you're in a car with somebody and you have an argument with them or a disagreement, and you both sulk. You sit there in silence, refusing to admit or to recognize that the other person is even there. To be sullen, to be withdrawn, to be aloof. Yeah, to show resentment but in silence. Yeah. He wasn't invited to the party. So every time I ring him up and say, do you want to come out with us? He just stays at home and sulks. Yeah, to be in a bad mood, to be resentful. Yeah, he just sulked. He started to sulk because he lost the game. Yeah, okay, definitely a bad sport. So in a bad mood, in a temper, yeah, in a huff. Yeah, but this is where somebody is sulky, particularly with the crossed arms, the pout. Yeah, this angry, sullen look. Yeah, he got a case of the sulks. He got the sulks. He got a fit of sulks. Yeah, he's sulking because his mum won't let him have more ice cream. Yeah, and okay, so sulky. Yeah, you're expressing your anger, the fact that you're offended. You are silent and withdrawn. You're not happy. You're not responsive. Yeah, to be in a sulk. He is he is such a sulky person. You say the slightest thing that he doesn't like and he walks off in a sulk and then sulks for a couple of weeks. Yeah, sulking's a very immature and childish thing to do. Yeah, it's a period of time where they're just angry about something. They don't want to be pleasant. Yeah, he spent the whole day sulking. Yeah, have you ever had to take a couple of sulky kids shopping? Yeah, they don't want to be there, and the sulkiness makes it very plain to you that they're angry about this. They're not happy with this situation. Yeah, to be moody and silent for a period of time. Yeah, he's always sulking. Yeah, he went off in a sulk. He went off in a huff. Yeah. Yeah, something's wrong's been done to them and they're going to brood about it. To think about something bad. Yeah, you resentful. You'll resent the situation. Yeah, so please stop sulking because it's not worth it. Okay, to sulk, to be sulky in a sulky mood and in a sulky state. Yeah, to be aloof. I'm not here. Yeah, I'm ignoring you. You're not there. I'm going to sulk. Okay, and this is the idea of to sulk, sulky. To sulk, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. It's a little bit more of a sophisticated word. I think in a temper, moody. Yeah, in a strop. That's a good informal one. And then as to origin, okay, I think originally there was the word sulky. Yeah, a very sulky individual. And let's see, there was an Old English word, asolsen, meaning sulky or slow or languid, slothful, from Proto-Germanic selkana, to fall in drops, to dribble. Yeah. So in a sulk, yeah, it's a good word. I think you definitely ought to try using it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you don't sulk, just watch another one. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sulk, sulky, sulkily, sulkiness, sulk.